let's start today. Let's learn how to start the apache2 server in Kali Linux. So first of all, you have to know where it is, how to start it, how to use the web to see how everything is. So how we're going to start it. So go open our terminal, open here. So we just service apache2 start. Yeah, that has already started the service. So the next thing we are going to check is our local private IP address. So that will do ipconfig. That should do the trick. So ethernet local. So this one here is what we need. This one is our IP address. Copy. So since we are on a network, this is now our IP address. So we open the Firefox or any web browser that you may feel like it's best for you. Here we just paste it, paste and go. Okay, so our server runs perfectly. So what we need to do is to see how we can put things on the server and be able to download them from the network. It won't use any of your mobile data as long as you're on the same service. So let's go from my files. Okay, so here we go to other locations. For those who are using the GNOME desktop environment, we go to computer. From here we go to the var, then the www, then html. This is what we are seeing when we run the server. This index.html file is what we are seeing on the server. But so now let's try and add something to the server. So let's go to downloads. Let's add something like let's go to documents. So let's copy anything. Let's copy this. Copy locations, my computer, var, www, html, and paste it here. So let's restart our server. Okay, let's go to our web and refresh it. So it doesn't show the file or anything that I've placed there. So it doesn't show, it only shows this. The reason why it shows this is that the servers always know that anything that starts with index.html, that's the first thing that should appear on the page. So let's go to where we've saved it. So here, and remove this index.html files. I don't know for your computers or anyone seeing this later, they just remove the index.html files. Let me delete it permanently. Yeah, it's now not there. So let's come here to our web and refresh. Yeah, here it is, it works. So is computer blah 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 blah. So as long as you're on the same network with another person, you just give them your IP address, which is 192.168.192.168.43.11. when they key in that, what they'll see is this, something like this. Oh, that one isn't right. Paste. This the PDF file. So what we need to write here is 192.168.43.11. Yeah, so this is what they'll see, index of blah blah, this other one. So yeah, so when we want to add something else, let's go to documents, this speech recognition now, apologize. Let's do this. Copy other locations, computer, so there it is. Let's refresh. There it is. Python program formula. And when you click it, forbidden permission, you don't have permission to access. Okay, so yeah, what in the folder? Yeah, so it immediately prompts you to download, save. For me, it's now just basically a choice, but mostly it will prompt you to download, of which it won't use any of your data since you're on the same network and it's like you're sharing resources. Yeah, so that's it. That's how you start and run your Apache server. So even you can also put a video. Let's try that. Terminal backwards. Let's copy the video. Which video can we put? Check. Let's copy this one. Copy. Location, computer, HTML, paste. Yeah, that's it. So come here, refresh, go back, refresh it. Since it was refused parent directory name, let's restart the server. Is your parent directory. It started, so here it is, the video. So we can either do this, open tab, blah blah, download, everything's there. So we can also just do this when you don't want to download it. What you can do is this, copy link, open link in new tab, blah blah blah, save link as copy link location. All this you can, what you choose to do with this, that's basically on you. So here's a video. You can, when you click it, it will play. Yeah, that's it. So thank you. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. I'd like to know what you're thinking of in the comments below. Thank you.